I always knew owning and driving an EV would be different. When I first bought mine, I was so excited because no more stopping for gas. Now, I knew there were different maintenance expectations too, but I never imagined that the tires on my EV would be different. Now that it's time to replace my tires, there are so many options and new things to learn that it was almost overwhelming. Until I found the new Hankook iON Evo all-season tires. They say these tires are specially tailored for today's electric vehicles, so we're going to hit the road and see for ourselves. As I start off, the first thing I notice is how smooth and comfortable the ride is. What an immediate improvement over my old tires. As I was doing my research on tires, I found out that my EV could weigh up to 30% more than a car with an internal combustion engine. The Hankook iON tire is designed to bear the heavy weight of an electric vehicle, and the iON offers extended tire life in a more sustainable way. The other thing I noticed is how quiet the ride is. EVs have no engine, of course, so tire noise accounts for 40% of an EV's noise heard while driving. So one of the cool things about these tires is that they use Hankook's iSound absorber technology. By applying a noise-absorbing material inside, cavity noise is decreased up to 9 decibels. Hankook also used a noise guard technology applied inside the grooves, which effectively reduces tread pattern noise during road contact by narrowing the air path without losing the groove's intended features. These Hankook tires are much quieter. I seriously can't believe the difference. On my EV, electric motors generate full torque from initial acceleration. Obviously, I don't want to experience tire spin as I take off and every time I start and stop, and it's not a problem at all with these tires. The grip is so good and I feel so safe and sure-footed in these tires. I'm also impressed with the way my EV steers and handles. Feels like I'm driving a new car again. To bear the weight of an electric vehicle, Hankook improved tire stiffness. Hankook's grip boost technology increases cornering rigidity by 20% compared to internal combustion engine tires, which enhances the electric vehicle's grip performance. Companies can make claims about how great their new tires are, but Hankook backs it up.
All right, I have to say, it's really amazing how a tire built for my EV gets me excited to drive more often and longer between charges. I think, like a lot of EV owners, my biggest concern is battery performance and charging. Thanks to Hankook's advanced pro-coupling compound and OptiCure curing technology, the rolling resistance on these iON tires is reduced to drive with a longer-lasting battery. By reducing the rolling resistance, you can travel longer on a single charge. One important note about driving in the rain, Hankook went the extra mile with these tires and gave them extra resistance to hydroplaning. That's really important to me too. Plus, they look great. And with a 50,000 mile limited tread wear warranty, I won't be needing another set of tires for a long time.
You know, after doing some research, I found out a lot about my EV and what makes it different from an internal combustion engine car. Any old tire wouldn't perform like the Hankook iON Evo all season and provide the features, benefits, and most importantly, the safety features I need. EVs are different, so it makes sense that the tires need to be different too. Seriously, think about the Hankook iON for your next set of tires and you won't be disappointed.